All right, these are the elevators at 6100 Corporate Drive in Houston, Texas. Sorry for getting the elevator so quickly, but unfortunately the call station on the lobby does not work. And these elevators were just fixed. I tried coming here several months back, but both elevator cars were broken down. These have been broken down for like 2 to 3 months. Anyways, I'm so glad I finally get a chance to do an updated take on these elevators here. Again, I do apologize for the rushed entry, but boy, am I glad these elevators are still original. Still original, classic Dover traditional from the 1980s. Here's your phone. I was so fearful they were gonna modernize these. All right, this time we're gonna do a full silent trip. Back to 1. Smooth up the doors since last time. The buttons do not light up. Anyways, this is an updated take on these elevators. This is a 2024 updated take. By the time I upload this video, it's gonna be technically 2025, but at the time this video was taken, this is on the last couple days of 2024 before we reach to the new year. If you guys remember, I recorded these elevators almost up to 10 years ago. So by the time this video is uploaded, this would already be officially 10 years since I recorded this video the last time. I think it was back in 2015 is when I first recorded this video. I did not put my camera out in 4K mode because there's a group of family members there. I don't want to film them. See that the call station unfortunately doesn't work. See, look at that. See, the call station does not work. That's why I had to grab this elevator quick. You see, this elevator car was still broken. But as you can see, they literally just got this elevator finally fixed. So, anyways, I forgot to mention, I also used to ride these elevators when I was a child. These were also one of my childhood elevators as well. But anyways, there goes, and that's it.